Hello to all my dear children and parents out there. A very good morning. I, Atre Roy Gupta, today going to discuss with you about recognition of numbers. Number recognition is a preschooler first step towards becoming a young mathematician. It is an ability to visualize, recognize and tell the numbers. See, I made a number will chart from 1 to 10. So this is a number will chart. The numbers written there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So from 1 to 10 I have written it. So what you have to do that through this, first we have to recognize the numbers. You know, in maths, 4 things are there. One is the recognition, second is the counting, third is the tracing, and fourth is then the writing. So first you have to recognize the numbers, then you have to count the numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. And after that, we have to trace the numbers with this two fingers tip, and you have to trace it, and with the help of a crayon or a pencil, just try to draw the numbers over, on the page. So today we will focus only on the recognition and learn them by heart. First see the numbers, try to recognize it. So our number, though I have not mentioned that number, our number starts with 0. You can see that this is a 0. A big circle, a ball. 0 has no value in numbers counting. So we never took 0 as a number. So our number chart starts with number 1. In some book, you will find number 1 just a standing line. Just like this, a line is just standing like this, but just a standing line. This is number 1. But in some book you will find, or in somewhere you will see that number 1 is like this: a standing line, a small slanting line, and a sleeping line. So this is number 1. So which number is this? Number 1. So how will you recognize number 1? You will find a standing line is there from the top to the bottom, a small slanting line, a very small, a loose slanting line, and a sleeping line. These 3 lines makes the number 1. These 3 lines together combine and form the number 1. After this comes the number 2. This is number 2. After 1, number 2 is here. How will you recognize? A curved line. You can see that these are all pre-writing skills. We have done it before. So you have to remember those pre-writing skills, that curved line, standing line, sleeping line, slanting lines, because all those lines makes the number. When you will practice writing these numbers, you can find that yes, those lines are really very important. So for number 2, from here till here is 1 curves, and from here till the end like a small sleeping line like this. So this is number 2. So 1, 2. After that, a 3 next to number 2, after number is 3. How will you recognize? 2 semicircle or 2 curves, small curve line joined together, one in the top and one in the bottom. See, this is one curve line and this is another curve line. 1 and this is 2. So 2 curve lines, they are just sitting on one upon another. So this is the way you can recognize number 3. So 1, 2, 3. Now comes number, you can see this is on my wheel chart, this is number 4. this is number 4. So how will you recognize number 4? First, a standing line, just like number 1, a standing line like this, and then a sleeping line, small sleeping line, and just from the middle a long standing line this way. This is one pattern, number 4, you will find in many places, whether in books or in dresses or in the wall or your home address. You will find numbers out there. Numbers you will find in everywhere. Without numbers we can't do anything. This is one type of 4. This is a 4. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4 is number 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and after number is 5. How will you recognize? A small sleeping line and a standing line, and for 5 you will find a big tummy. Yes, a round tummy where you can store so many foods, but we never store it. But this is the way we can recognize number 5, that only in this number you will find a tummy. This is number 5, a big tummy, a very big tummy. So after number 5 comes the number 6. You can find this is a curved line like this. And for number 6 also, you will find a small round tummy. So 5 and 6, they are the best friends. For both these numbers, as they are the best friend, 5 also have tummy, a big tummy, and 6, this number 6 is also have a tummy. You can see that, a small round tummy. Difference is, in 5, tummy is just open. It is not closed, it is open. But in number 6, it is fully closed. Yes. Now after number 6 comes the number 7. I'm turning it. I'm turning my wheel chart. This is called number 7. Number 7 is like this, a sleeping line and a slanting line. That's all. So number 7. So 4, 5, 6, 7. After 7, this is my very favorite number. This is number 8. You can see this is number 8. How can you recognize a spiral lines? These are all spiral lines. A number starts with one continuous line and it's a never ending line till you reach to the top, till you reach to the starting point. So from here, a spiral way, and here, and then here. This is called number 8. It is a very beautiful number. So after 8, next number comes is number 9. Number 9 is also the third best friend of number 5 because it starts with a tummy. Or better I said, no, it's not a tummy, it's like a face. A cute round face, and with that a standing line is here. So 5 and 6, they are the best friend. Number 9 is the best friend of number 8. How? See, there's a one face is here, and this is the tummy. It's like us. And number 9 is a one ball or a one circle and a standing line. This is number 9. And the last number, it's a 2-digit number. These are all 1-digit number. 1 digit is there. This is a 2-digit. 1 and 0. 2 numbers are here. So this is a 2-digit number. This is 10. 10 1. This is number 1. And this 0 will come here. This is number 10. Yes. After any number, if you put this 0, the 0 has a value. But before any number, if you put a 0, it has no value. So it's clear? So this is 10. So we will just revise these numbers first once again from my will chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is a number will chart that is from 1 to 10. So I hope you will like my video. Thank you.